The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for the Grand River at Paynesville from late tonight until further notice at 10:30 a.m. Saturday. The stage was 6.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by late tonight and rise to near 9.4 feet by Sunday evening. Additional rises are possible thereafter. At 8.5 feet, lowland flooding adjacent to the river in the Metro Park likely. Ruling road inundated.
The forecast for Cleveland and